Okay, so good morning. I'm Antriksh and I'm a student of BMS. Today we'll be talking about how important it is to network on LinkedIn for a college student. So can we have your introduction, please?
Yes, I'm Divi. I'm also a college student of CVS, currently in the final year of MRB. And talking about LinkedIn, I'm actually very much active on LinkedIn. I've got more than 4,000 followers as of now and connected with some of the bright minds and alumni of Delhi University as well. And I think for every college student, be it a fresher, be it in second year, or even if you have passed out from college, you should be active on LinkedIn if you are looking out for job opportunities, working for a startup, going into corporate, or just finding out any internships.
Okay, so what do you feel like just after entering the college, a student should work on his LinkedIn, or should he first build something, his skills and a CV, and then go on LinkedIn and start posting and exploring?
Nothing as that rigid. Anyone can start on LinkedIn, be it in 11th grade or 12th grade. First, I also observed other LinkedIn accounts, like talking about my seniors. There was a lot of seniors from CVS only and many from Delhi University. And I stalked, just observed them, what are they doing, how are they putting their achievements and recognition over LinkedIn. So you can first just create an account, follow any of your idol, any of your startup founders that excites you, or any senior that you meet in college. Just observe for a couple of months. Then once you have something to put out, be it any society certificate, be it any proof of work, any internship, then you can start building your profile and reaching out to HRs and other business managers.
And is like one thing is that you put your skills on LinkedIn, but when you put your societies and that stuff on LinkedIn, is that helpful too for a student?
Yes, because most people who are doing good in their corporate life, or even if they are working for a startup, would have been actually worked in a college society if they are from Delhi University, because a lot of commerce graduates from Delhi University are working in Bangalore and Gurgaon in corporates and in MNCs. So if you are an active part of a society, especially if you have led the society as president or any as, like, let's say finance department head or marketing department head, then the person would know okay, you would be doing something exciting in college, you were active and involved in somewhere, not just taking class. So एक perception हो जाता है उसके mind में कि this guy might be helpful to us. So it helps in connecting with right people.
And what would be your one tip to freshers, like how to start their LinkedIn or what to post as their first post?
As the first post, I think it depends on person to person. But of course, the first post could be like, I'm starting my graduation in this degree in this college, reaching out any alumni, any senior member of Delhi University that wants to help guide me on something. I'm interested in sales and marketing. Anyone looking forward to any mentor to have on board so I can connect with them. Any kind of a request type of post, or like just sharing your information that I'm this, currently starting my graduation at this college. That could be the first post, because a lot of good seniors that you will meet in college would reply to that and will send you a request and will be in touch with you.
Okay, so my last question would be like, do you feel there is any negative side or a drawback for LinkedIn?
No, that basic negative side would be as same as any negative side of a social media platform, but I also don't think so people should scrolling through LinkedIn on a regular basis and more than 1 or 2 hours, because I do it for like 20 to 30 minutes when I wake up or going to college. Excessive information is a bad thing. So if you keep hearing about a lot of achievements and all, it will affect your mental health. Maybe you will feel you're not doing much. So that could be the only drawback, but it's not a drawback of LinkedIn, it's a drawback of just a social media platform and yourself. If you focus too much time on LinkedIn, that's also bad.
Okay, thank you, Devi. It was great having you today.